Unong ilam kaliang persya ayeng da bar thawa ka jala megaliau Dr. Mukul sangma habakan tho alo ka jingpen kre ka jingkren ïasuk happeneng ka New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC bat ka sarkar India lem ka sarkar jala ulo ong ba ka thong jong kani ka jingkren ïasuk kadai ban pynneh ya ka ulo ong ba ka songru hakilai banta kumnu kin pnya sakhmat ya ka jingkren ïasuk kata ka sarkar jala ka HNLC bat ka sarkar India ulo ong ba nu khot jong kanu ka sengkeng atiar udairu bandon ka jingskam nak banta ka songsuk songsang.
The collective desire and intent of the people of the state to restore peace. Now, there are many ways of engaging with so-called militant outfits, with notified and banned outfits, proscribed organizations. There are many ways. Now, but the intent must be very clear. Intent must be to restore a peace which is sustainable, negotiated by them, by both the parties, rather here not both, it's a tripartite discussion, will have to be keenly watched. Because the ultimate intention must be to ensure that there is a peace restored, but which is sustainable.